What is up, YouTubers out there in YouTube land? Somebody had asked me to do a EDC carry video. What is my EDC? What do I like to carry? So I figured I'd pull all my shit out of my pockets. But let's see. We'll start with.
Let me be the one. Wanna save you.
Start with a flashlight. I just started like a month ago, always carrying a flashlight. And I found these little badass little pocket-sized ones. And this is a Nikkor MH20. Right there. And this little joker runs off 118/650. This is 1,000 lumens. I mean, yeah. And it's dimmable. It's got 5 different dim settings, micro USB charging, and it's a vape battery, so I can just swap out a battery if I ever needed to, if I was ever in need with my vape. I put my tank back on, by the way, guys. The dripper, wasn't cutting it, so. So that's 2 things right there. I got my favorite little unboxing knife that clips on my side. That is an Essie Azula Rowan. I forget the name. I know it's Essie. It's the brand. So yeah, I got my knife. Usually always got a bottle of juice on me. My wallet, which I'm not gonna pull out. And then usually it's my Springfield XDS 9mm, my tan colored one. But I got a new holster, which I'm gonna do another video on. So I'm carrying my Springfield XD Mod 2 9mm. This is a double stack 9mm, holds 13 plus 1. This is rocked and cocked. I'm not even gonna empty it. But yeah, this is my little baby right here. I am a huge Springfield fan. I love pretty much all Springfields. I think my next one will be like a 1911. I've been wanting one. I still haven't gotten me a 1911. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. What's your everyday carry? If you even carry. What is it? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. I want to know. Alright, I'm gonna put this shit up before I get in trouble. Alright, guys.